Copying an Benincà Rolling Code remote control to a Multikoo Slide 433. The copying and storing operation is the same for all 433 MHz rolling code remote controls of this series. Step 1. Reset the Multikoo Slide 433 remote control. Simultaneously press button 1 and 2 on the Multikoo Slide until the LED flashes. While holding down button 1, press button 2 3 times until LED flashing. When the LED flashes release the buttons of the Multikoo Slide, the remote control is ready to copy. Step 2. Copy an Benincà Rolling Code remote control on a Multikoo Slide 433. Place the two remote controls side by side, with the original on the left and the Multikoo Slide on the right. Press and hold down the first button on the original remote control, then press the first button on the Multikoo Slide 433. When the remote control LED lights up steadily, release the buttons. Copying is complete. Now the Multikoo Slide transmits a rolling code HCS Benincà on each button and is ready to be stored in the control unit. Step 3. A. Remote memorization of the duplicate Multikoo Slide on the Benincà ONE series receiver. Approach the automation. Press the hidden button on the original Benincà remote control. On other Benincà rolling code models, you will find the button hidden under a hole on the back of the remote control. Use a paperclip to activate it. Press the key to duplicate always on the working remote control. Press the button of the Multikoo Slide you want to store. The first channel has been memorized in the control unit. If you need to memorize the second channel, repeat the operation like this. Press the hidden button on the original Benincà remote control. Press the second button to be duplicated on the working remote control. Press the second button to be memorized on the previously copied Multikoo Slide. Your new Multikoo Slide is memorized and ready to use. Step 3B. Remote memorization of the duplicated Multikoo Slide on the old generation receivers. Warning: do not use this procedure if the remote control is used on 2 or more adjacent automations. Approach the automation. Press the hidden button on the original Benincà remote control. Now press the button on the Multikoo Slide that you want to store. Multikoo Slide has been memorized in the control unit and is ready for use. Step 3C. Manual memorization on the Benincà ONE series receiver. Press the program button once using a paperclip. The red LED will light up. Within 5 seconds, press the button to be memorized on the Multikoo Slide duplicated above. You can store other remote controls or wait until the red LED goes out to use the new remote control. If you have to memorize the second channel, press the program button twice. The green LED will light up. Within 5 seconds, press the second button to be stored on the Multikoo Slide. You can store other remote controls or wait for the LED to go out. The new remote control is ready for use.